Hi guys, so kakain tayo ng dragon fruit. Naiwan na tira niya. So kakainin natin. So first, unahin natin muna to. Luhilaw ba eh? Oh, dinamit dyan. So guys, onting trivia lang about the dragon fruit. So dragon fruit is a nutrient-dense tropical superfood packed with fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants like betalains and flavonoids. That's why inuna ko siyang kinain kesa sa sunny side up and rice kasi rich in fiber din siya, which is mabubusog ka and parang madali mag-digest yung stomach. And also, it boosts immunity, promotes gut health by feeding good bacteria, lowers bad cholesterol, and aids in healthy weight management. So minimaintain nito yung sugar sa katawan mo, which is kung kunwari inuna mo tong kinain tapos gusto mong kumain ng sugar like sweets or kahit anong may sugar, it helps na i-prevent, hindi niya ma-i-prevent, pero ma-i-level lang na hindi mag-spike yung insulin mo. So, kung nagda-diet ka, and nagbabawas ng timbang, maganda yun. And also, guys, fruits has a natural sugar, and which is healthy sugar.